Right, all right. All right, now that we're back here and on the charts, I want to walk through my state of mind and my approach to the market this morning, right? So what do I do when I wake up? It's around almost 8:30. I'm like, okay, the market is going to be opening up in like an hour or so. So what do I see? We have to look in the past, right? The history to kind of paint us a picture of what we're going to do and how we're going to pretty much approach the markets for the rest of the session, right? So first things first, we're using the minute time frame. We notice the market is consolidating. We get a breakout impulse move, right? We got some structure, and then we get some consolidation. But what do I notice? We get another break of these highs to our left, right? We get a consolidation, and then we get another impulse to the upside. So what are you thinking? Market is bullish, right? We're in an uptrend. Remember, we're on a 1 minute, so I don't want to absolutely commit to just to the uptrend or bullish market, right? I just want to be able to trade what I see. Okay. So after we get there, I notice like, all right, if this is the type of pattern that the market is creating, this consolidation impulse, consolidation impulse, consolidation impulse, consolidation. This is what I'm seeing when I wake up, right? I'm like, all right, so I'm guessing there's going to be an impulse to break this high. So what do? I wait to be patient. We get that impulse. I see that wick. I'm like, I'm not sure about this. That could be a stop punt or a fake out, right? But what do we get? We still get this kind of consolidation range and an impulse, right? So if that's the case, what do you think is going to happen next? In my opinion, after this impulse, after it ranges, right? I'm expecting the market to have this impulse and then range, okay? And that's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for that range and then the impulse, at least to break this high over here, right? We need price to break structure right there, okay? So if that's the case, we're gonna do something like that. Boom. Right? That's what we call breaker structure. That's what I'm looking for. And if we get a close and break above that level, we are golden. That's what I will be looking for. Okay. Let's delete that, get that off the screen. All right. So if we play the market back, boom, 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 we get a break of that high, and that's the entry. That's where I enter the market. Even though, like I said, I am expecting the market to do some consolidation before it actually makes another impulse move to continue to trend up, right? So what does the market do? It pulls back into our pullback zones, right? Then we get some structure up there that's established. This level of resistance was established, right? We already have this level that was broken. And now it's become support. We have this pullback zone that kind of goes along with that confluence. Now we have a break of structure, which gives us even more confluence that we are in the right side of the market, right? So with that being said, we let the market continue after that consolidation and break to the upside. And there we go. Boom. Our first move of the day. Now let's move forward. I'll continue to show you where the next setup is. All right, even though the market just opened, the market has been pretty bullish, right? So what I do is I just wait, and there we go. That's what I wait for. I wait for price for our striker indicator. This is our striker indicator just with Pivot FX and AJTFX, right? We have our striker indicator. This is what we use to go along with our confluences in our trading system. So we have a break of this high. We have our striker indicator that says, all right, the market is buying. We're in a buying market, right? So what do? I say, all right, cool. If we have this breaker structure and we are in buying momentum, I want the market to pull back into our pullback zones that we have in our bullish pullback zones. If this is what I'm looking for, all right. So now that we have this break, this hunt up here, right, takes out the sellers. This one takes out buyers. Now, all right, the market is going to find some structure. It actually breaks up, finds some structure, creates a higher low, and now we have this break of structure, right? After we get that break of structure, what am I doing? Waiting for the market to pull back. Booyah! That's where we get this move, right? Stop loss is around here. It was 20 points, I believe, and I went for 60. Right. So basically, I went for a 3-1, and then we got that bounce back, and there we go. Boom. So that was pretty. That was a pretty smooth execution right here, and that was it for the day. There we go, people.